In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove text from videos without using blur in Canva. We'll be using Canva's interface to tidy up your videos, making sure we don't lose any quality. Let's get started. First things first, open your favorite web browser and head over to Canva's homepage. If you're not already automatically signed in, look for the Login button. You'll find it on the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. Once clicked, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you're using a Google account, select your account from the list provided. This will make accessing Canva quick and straightforward. When you've logged in successfully, search for your video project. For this tutorial, we'll assume you have a video ready to go that you'd like to edit. Open up your video project in Canva. Now identify which part of the video contains the text you want to remove. For instance, let's say there's text on the top right corner of your video that you'd rather not show. Canva currently doesn't offer a direct tool to remove text or watermarks seamlessly, so the best workaround here is to crop the video. To do this, select the video clip you want to edit. Once selected, focus on crop tool options usually found along the top menu. Adjust the cropping handles so that the text is no longer visible in the frame. You'll be trimming out the portion of the video with the unwanted text. After cropping, it's crucial to ensure that the edited video still fits well within its space. Use the positioning tools to adjust your video so that it fits neatly within the frame. This might involve dragging the video around until you're happy with how it looks. Don't hesitate to keep moving it as much as you need until it's just right. With adjustments made, click on the play button to preview the video. This is an important step to confirm that the text is effectively removed and that no important parts of your video are cut off. If the text is still visible or if the video doesn't look balanced after your initial edits, feel free to fine-tune the cropping and positioning again. Once you're satisfied with your editing, congratulations. You've successfully removed text from your video without using any blur effect. Now your video is cleaner and ready for any occasion you have in mind, whether it's for professional purposes or just for sharing with friends and family. Thank you for following along today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy editing!